My name is Nathaniel Flores.
My name is William Lee. So what we did was a Meteor project.
Our goal was to make all of the lights flicker at the pattern. We wanted to so it looks like a meteor strike.
Design. Our design was to make each light turn on and off from top to bottom.
We built our creation of a breadboard. On the breadboard are LEDs, resonators, wires, supersonic sensors. To top it off, we use cardboard for a background.
Program. How our design works is that after we turn it on, the LEDs turn off in order. The GPIO turns on, makes the lights turn on and off with a time trigger of 0.5 seconds.
Test. We tested our design over and over until we both agreed on one design. Both of us liked it, and that is like a meteor strike.
At one point, we decided that we should not do a pattern of a meteor strike, not a meteor shower. We redid our assignment to make it look like a meteor strike.
Lastly, we decided to have some fun with our project. It worked out well, and we were proud of our work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now can I have you two come over here to demonstrate your project?
Is this the final?
Yes. So for all the parents, feel free to come over because the project is still on the side of the board. So just like how we did before, all you have to do is plug in the micro USB, okay? I'd say yes. I'd say it works better without lights actually, just because they're lights themselves. So right here, and this will be their project.
Okay. Can I have all the kids that this project is not it on this side? This side. You guys want to see it this side? That way parents can see it on this side. Anthony, this side. Right, buddy.
Have to find the wire.
Nice. Yes, just this one. Plug in this one. That's it. Okay, here, you have it upside down. That's okay.
Okay. So it'll take 1 second or a few seconds to load up. And then so it'll be easier if you guys can see it on this side. Yep.
Somebody needs to run.
You guys explain kind of what's happening?
So what's happening right now is that the first meteor comes down, this turns on, and this turns on, and this turns on, and this turns on, all in order from on to off, and then this meteor comes down this way.
William, what's the ultrasonic sensor for?
Ultrasonic sensor is to show how far something is. So if the distance is 30 meters, it's going to come down to 30 meters. These two last meteors are the ones that crashed down to Earth.
Okay. Can we get a round of applause for Nathaniel and William?